Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up on Gemini. If you're new to crypto and want a safe and trusted platform to buy and trade cryptocurrencies, then this video is for you. To get started for a Gemini account, first of all, launch open a web browser on your computer and then type in gemini.com in the URL box and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Gemini. Go ahead and click on the Get Started button at the top right corner from the home screen to start up with the sign up process. Now on the next page, you will see this Create Your Account tab where you can easily create your personal or business account. Select any one you'd like to create from personal or business and then enter an email address you'd like to sign up with in the email address field. After typing down a valid email, go to the password field and then create a password for your account. Make sure to include the criteria given right underneath the password box so that you can create a strong password. Finally, after you are done, you can also change your country if you'd want, if the country name is incorrect over here, or if you want to leave it as it is, just do that and then click on this I agree and the other box at the bottom to receive occasional promotional emails and click Create Account. Now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email. Go ahead and open up the email you received from Gemini inside your email inbox and then you'll receive a verification code inside it. Once you receive the verification code, you can paste in the verification code inside your Gemini website or click on Confirm Email to confirm your email address without having to type in the verification code. Now right after you do that, on the next tab, you'll need to confirm your security method. Click on whether you'd like to choose Google Authenticator app or passkey and click continue. Now you can go ahead and scan the QR code that has been displayed over here if you've chosen the authentication option. Or you can also click to show the setup key at the bottom and copy the setup key and paste it in on your authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Duo Mobile. Once you scan the QR code or enter the setup key in the app, you'll be able to add Gemini in your authenticator app. Now click continue and enter the code from your authentication app. It will be displayed in your authenticator app under Gemini, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your phone number to continue the sign up. Make sure you provide your correct phone number in the text box and click continue. And on the next page, you'll need to verify your phone number as well. After completing through the phone number verification, the next step you'll need to complete is verify identity. To start trading, you must complete the identity verification where you need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, address, and a valid government issued ID. And upload the government and wait for the approval. After the approval is done, you can then add a payment method and start trading on your Gemini account. So that is how you will be able to sign up for Gemini in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.